Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 here, back with yet another Diecast car video, and today we have another Camaro, which is the 1968 Copo Camaro, number 5 out of 10 from Hot Wheels Art Cars, and number 63 out of 250. And by the way, this is not the Super Treasure Hunt. I've done a review about the regular Treasure Hunt. Go check it out if you want. But this is not the Super Treasure Hunt, by the way, just if you're wondering. Let's go ahead and open this up. So they've decided to take this version of the casting. I mean, there were some other Camaros they could take from the 1960s or 70s, but they decided to pick this one. I kind of like this casting, not gonna lie. This glad they took this casting. I mean, like, well, it's not really my favorite, but yeah, it's a great looking casting. I thought they would take like the 1970 something Camaro. That would also be great, but the fact they took this one is still nice. I mean, it has this sort of like comic-ish type of design here. You can see it's more of like pop art, which yeah, looks pretty nice. And the fact that it says R, obviously this is a art cars, as you can know. Yeah, it says R on the sides. So yeah, let's take a look. So the theme of the whole car is basically R here. Yeah, here it is in this bright yellow here. It says Hot Wheels in that tiny little chat bubble right there, which is pretty cool. Didn't expect that. You have some red dots here at the rear fender. You have some explosions at the front, and it says Camaro a bit sideways here, and it has that big R here in white. The other letters are in red. Yeah, you have some I think those are like explosions, I guess. Yeah, moving on to the front, you have blacked out front, as you can see right here. No headlights, but you do have the grille, which well, it's already black, so it's, I guess, fine. But yeah, no headlights. Yeah, Hot Wheels logo right there. This one's the colored Hot Wheels version, and then you have some red stripes right there, some other black stripes, and some black dots as well for the hood right there. Moving on to the roof, this is a big R here in white, and then you have some black dots and some black stripes. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's that. You have a silver bumper, I forgot to say, for the front. It's apart from the base actually. Here's the other side. Since I've never shown the left sides normally because it's basically the same thing, this one's quite different. It says R in that big chat bubble, but it says Copo right here, so it's like Copo Camaro, which yeah, pretty interesting detail. And the Hot Wheels logo is basically in white here, and some other different bits and pieces. And then you have the chrome light blue rims, which are in 5 spokes. Even for the front, you have the red chrome red 5 spokes, which are pretty nice. Big wheels for the back, small wheels for the front, as you can see right there. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. The windshield is in transparent blue, and the interior is in black. Moving on to the back, you have that silver bumper right there again, and then you have the rear lights, which are not colored. And yeah, that's basically it. You have that tiny little spoiler, which is kind of like a lip for the back right there. Pretty nice. Oh, you have a chrome face right here. Sorry if there's any light glare or something. Copo Camaro. What year is this? Hold on, let me check. 2010. So it's quite an old casting. 2010 Mattel, made in Malaysia. Yeah, pretty nice casting to be done in this more of like the comic styled car. But yeah, even the Super Treasure Hunt is very cool. I've checked it out. It's just so cool. It's like that Spectral Flame dark gold, which is pretty goddamn cool. I mean, it's not the type of gold that you get from the 2021 Ford Shelby GT500 Cobra. I mean the GT500R, of course. But it is quite something else, and yeah, it's pretty interesting. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.